guys, today we are gonna go over my fidget toys. Oh my god, I forgot to set it all up. Let me get all my fidget toys. Just a moment, please. Oh my god, hi. I only have little fidget toys. Okay, so let me go over my square puppet first. My square puppet, I accidentally threw it. My square puppet doesn't have a bad side, so I love this one. Well, anyways, this is my circle one. Like most of the circle puppets are like stiff, but I don't care. Well, anyways, that was my circle puppet and mini square puppet. Hard to hear. Heart puppet, one of my favorite ones. And going over my squishy. So if you want this, it's really good quality. If you want this, it might be at Walmart or you can search up at Amazon. It's called Needo. It's spelled N-E-E space D-O-H. And you can choose different colors, but I picked neon pink. And this is my nasty squishy. A lot of hair on it. This is from a goodie bag, so it's like not a squishy, but it is a squishy. Okay, now going over my slinky. So you know most slinkies, like the metal slinkies, walk on the stairs, but this one doesn't. I got this from a goodie bag too. Yeah, at school. And this is my first ever fidget, I think. I don't know. Yeah, and okay, just a moment. I'm gonna speak Korean, so don't mind. 골프이모, if 보고 있으면은 얘는 지금 자고 있는데 제가 깨웠어요. Okay, anyways, back to English. I hope you enjoyed my fidget toy videos. Next time I'll go over my dolls. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye!